here we come to some building, Lake Forest. And, ooh, they got a Montgomery A series. Hopefully it's original. Yes, it's original. Look, it's got the Montgomery logo. Listen to that alarm. Wow. Alright, take a look at the phone, ADA compliant. Alright, let's head up. Hopefully the indicator's not burnt out. It's kind of distorted, the indicator is. That's not just the camera, that's the indicator. It's loose. That's weird. Here's your lantern. It's like a goofy version of Impulse. Here's your certificate. Whoa, that was a nice old big old bang. It's a lot quicker going down, isn't it? It's a loud bell too. Alright, let's ring it one more time. Or not. Alright, and that is it.